go the life at a party. They go the life at a party. They go the life at a party. Soon as I walk in the room, they be like. They go the life at a party. Soon as I walk in the room, they be like.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TB, and I am back with another video. And this video is highly requested. Not exactly what I'm making, but me doing cooking videos is highly requested. So with it being August 1, that's right, for the next 4 weeks your girl will be doing cooking videos. So before I even get started, drop down below some recipes or something that y'all want me to make, and I mean anything. Drop it below and I'll make it for y'all, and I'll try to be as detailed as possible. I honestly don't like cooking videos, only because shout out to this channel, Clueless Mama D, Drea from my RUC family. Hey RUC group. She makes like how-to videos, and one of her videos was like a lemonade, I believe, and the editing on that video was amazing. And I honestly don't think that I can do the editing that good. I just don't. So if this video is posted, that means I try to edit as much as I can about this cooking video, and I just hope you guys like it. Hopefully I didn't butcher it. I'm gonna have to get some classes from Drea. I'm gonna drop her description here, and I'm also putting it in the description below. But anywho, before I start cooking, I did just wanted to give everybody a huge big thanks from John and myself about our video posted last week about our miscarriage. We received so many encouraging words, so many prayers, so many texts, so many calls regarding that situation, and at some point it was overwhelming. I couldn't even get to all the responses because they were flowing in so quick. So thank you, thank you, thank you. There's definitely a season that we are going through right now, so keep us in your prayers, and hopefully there will be a baby girl soon. You never know, you know? So yeah, just keep us in your prayers and all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because people that want me to make these cooking videos, they're catching me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook when I do my little snippets of some of the stuff that I can cook. Yeah, girl, I can cook, okay? At least I don't think, I don't know. My husband likes it. He ain't died yet, so I must be doing something right. In this video, I'm gonna do the quesadillas. And let me know, chicken quesadillas. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using, show y'all how quick it is to make. And if you like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If I get 100 likes on this video, I think I'm gonna talk my husband into doing the Kiki challenge with me. Would y'all watch that? I think y'all would. If I get 100 likes, we're posting the video. Alright, so for this chicken quesadilla recipe, this is everything that I'm using. You can make your chicken quesadillas any way you would like, but this is the way that I'm going to make my chicken quesadillas today. I got soft shell tortillas, flour tortillas. I got the Mexican shredded cheese. I got bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes already chopped. I'm all about making things easy, okay? I don't like to chop. That's one of the reasons why I don't cook. So when I found out that these came chopped, my husband called me, because I sent him to the grocery store, and said that they already got them pre-chopped. Yeah, get that for $3.39, I think. And I think I would have paid more if I would have got them separately. So if you're a cook, get your whole onions, your whole bell peppers, and your whole tomatoes, and have at it. But your girl got them chopped for the low, okay? Next, we're gonna need, of course, you can't make chicken quesadillas without the meat. You're gonna need your chicken. Skinless, boneless chicken breast, people. Now, what I use to season my meat is totally different. You guys can season your meat the way you want to season your meat, but for me, I use seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, peppers, and I have minced garlic here because just like the bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes, I'm going to use the minced garlic to saute my vegetables. So yeah. That's all you need. And for the end, you're gonna need some sour cream and some salsa. Let go. Alright, y'all, so first, to start off the chicken quesadillas, you have to chop your meat. I'm not a professional chopper, so don't be coming for me in the comments and all that good stuff. Before you do chop, before you cook in any kitchen, I urge all my married folks to take off your wedding ring. That is so unsanitary. So I'm gonna take off my wedding ring, I'm gonna wash my hands, and then we're gonna start chopping the chicken, okay? Alright guys, so I cut and chopped up the chicken. Now I'm about to season the chicken with my seasonings that I was telling you guys about earlier in the video. Alright y'all, so once you have the chicken seasoning, which I just showed you below, it's time to saute your chicken. So you're just gonna put just a tablespoon of your vegetable oil. That's about enough. That's probably a little bit more than a tablespoon, but that's okay. Start popping like so, because it's about to, you know, I ain't trying to get popped, but when it start doing the sizzling stuff, all that good stuff, that means it's ready to go. So you're just gonna take your chopped chicken, and you're gonna place it in the pan. Okay, so we're gonna cook this chicken until you think that it's done. I'm pretty sure y'all know when chicken is done. I give y'all estimate about 10 minutes for the chicken to be done. And once the chicken is done, we're gonna put it to the side and saute our vegetables in the same oil to suck up some of that seasoning. Alright, so once the meat and stuff start browning, it'll look a little something like this. Take it out and move it over to a bowl. And then we're gonna saute our vegetables. Now that that's to the side, in the same bowl, we're gonna add just a little bit more of vegetable oil. Just a little bit. Spread that around. And then we're gonna add our vegetables. Woo! Alright. So, inside your vegetables, what you wanna do is add a tablespoon of garlic. Alright, so we're gonna let these cook until they get soft. We're gonna move these to the side and we're gonna start on our quesadillas.
Look at this look at the wrist.
Okay, y'all, look. So, honestly, I'm not even tooting my own horn, but this smells so good. Like, I'm not kidding. And once you get your vegetables and all that good stuff to your liking, you're gonna add the chicken right back in here. And voila. Babe, what does it smell like? Seriously.
Smell like Mexican, like fajitas.
This looks so good. This is done, people. This is done. So you're gonna turn your eye off and we're about to start on. Alright y'all, so to get the tortillas ready to go, I got my pan. I'm gonna spray the pan like so. You know, all that good stuff. I'm extra when it comes to the spray. Okay. You're gonna get your tortilla and you're gonna place it in the pan. Give me your mix that we mix and put it in another clean bowl. Don't use the same bowl that you had the uncooked chicken in. Like that. You're gonna let that cook some more on one side. And then you can kind of gauge when you think it's ready to be flipped. Like I'm gonna go ahead and flip it now. And voila.
Looks great.
And then you're gonna let the other side of the tortilla cook. And there you have it, guys. This is tortilla. We're gonna take you guys to our dinner table so we can cut it open and spread it out for y'all. But there you go, chicken quesadilla. What you think, hubby?
Looks good to me.
All right, so we're gonna finish making the rest of these and then we'll be right back with you. Peace. All right, y'all, so you're now at our dinner table. Hubby, what do you think?
I'm ready to eat.
All right, so we got ranch too because he's gonna eat ranch on his, which I probably am too, so I'll dab me some.
Show is hungry.
All right, let's taste. Lego. If I say my food good, that don't count. I gotta make sure he said good. And no, he's not just saying it because I'm his wife, because he would definitely tell me if he don't like it. Right? Alright guys, so while hubby smashes, thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, every Wednesday for the month of August, I'll be doing cooking videos, so drop down some cooking options down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Give me something good. Peace.
They go to live at a party. They go to live at